What's going on, guys? Tyler here with another video. In this channel, we talk about how the average person can or can't make money online. In this video, we're going to be talking about one of the easiest side hustles ever, Instagram theme pages. We're also going to talk about how you can do this too and make some easy money for not that much work. So let's get into it. You know what, dude? I was too hard on you last week. So you know what? For this video, I'm gonna sit down and actually take some notes this time. Wow, thanks, man. Really appreciate it. Oh, you do know I have ADHD, right? Oh no. Alright, well, what are Instagram theme pages? I have no doubt you have seen these pages. Instagram theme pages are accounts that post viral type photos or videos about a specific subject, like filmmaking, travel, fashion, business, etc. Basically what these pages do is they find viral content within a specific niche or subject, then the owner of these pages feature videos on their own pages while also giving the original creators credit. Seriously, do not forget to give the creators credit. Because these pages are posting the most popular type of content within a niche, it usually gets noticed on Instagram pretty quickly. Whether it's in the Explore page, posts being shared with people, or just showing up in your regular feed, people will usually like and follow these accounts because they love the type of content that they are posting. Because these pages post viral type content within a specific niche, these pages can gain massive followings really quickly. So you seriously could grow a page from 0 to 100K in less than 8 months. And no, I'm not lying. I mean, that's what happened to me, and I barely knew about this business this time last year. Wait, 100K in 1 year? You seriously did that? Could you just stop and keep listening? It's not that hard. Okay, fine, but I'm getting kind of hungry. Oh no. This is how it starts. Okay, that was kind of a mouthful. But how do you make money once you grow a page with a large following? The idea for this type of business is when a page you grow gains a massive following, smaller creators and accounts will reach out to you asking to be featured on your page. Because of so many followers, creators are hoping to be featured on these pages so that they can gain their own followings because everyone knows the value of an audience in 2021. From there, the owner of these pages can set promo rates on how an account wants to be featured, like a post, story shout out, or even a reel. They send these promo rates to accounts who are wanting to be featured, and most times people will be willing to pay. Then you just send them your PayPal info, and once they pay the rates that you agree to for a shout out, then you just post their content. It really is that easy. This benefits everyone because you get free content to post on your page, some extra money for Chipotle Monday, and creators get the potential to be seen by thousands of people and gain their own followings. The best part is that these type of pages usually post multiple times a day, and oftentimes you have to continue to reach new followers. So if someone reaches out for a promotion, you can post multiple people as a promotion multiple times a day, which can lead to a pretty decent amount of money on a monthly basis. YouTubers like Beheza and Jared West have gone way deeper into this business, so I'll leave a few links in the video description. I'm going to kind of explain how I got started in this business and some best practices to help you grow your own pages. And again, as always, I would have not released this video unless there was actually an easy way to make some money online. So I hope you get the chance to like this video and also subscribe. Seriously? You're still doing this? Dude, you only have like 50 subs. You are the worst. Okay, so why should you start an Instagram theme page like this? Well, the easy part is it's free to do. The only hard part after you choose what type of page you want to start is finding viral content that people will like and follow the account for. That's exactly what happened to me, because when I first started about this, wow, was I skeptical. It just seemed way too easy. How I first got started in this was actually seeing a video by Beheza, and I'll leave that up here, talking about the same business. And at the same time, I was learning everything about social media and how to gain a following. So hearing how easy it was to grow a following this way seemed so easy, almost too good to be true. But I started it for myself, and as of recording this video, I've grown 2 pages to a combined audience of over 250,000 followers in just a year. So I know you guys can do this too, because I didn't know anything about this last year. But how can you get started? The first thing you want to do is choose a subject for a page about something you love. This is because you will have a better idea of what type of viral content people will enjoy in that niche. After that, you can create your account with a profile pic that is about the subject you would like to be posting about. I have a long background in filmmaking and video production, so I decided to start my own page in the filmmaking niche because I knew I would have a good idea for what viral type videos would be. I then would follow really big filmmaking accounts and take videos I thought were cool and repost them on my own page. I used the Repost app, so I can leave a link in the video description. Are you asleep? What? Have the Vikings won the Super Bowl yet? No. When I first started out posting, I started posting videos I just thought were cool. I didn't think there was gonna get a lot of views. Honestly, like 20 to 50 max. Well, my first video got over 100 views, and yes, that isn't a lot, but I was blown away because I didn't post any hashtags or promote the video in any way. I mean, it was a brand new account, I had 0 followers. I just featured the creator and Instagram just showed it to 100 people. So at that point, I knew I was onto something. So I started posting cool videos at least once a day and started gaining followers. Now, the one thing you have to know is that this is going to take some time before the exponential growth of a page really takes off. I was posting for like 2 months, at least once a day, and I only had like 200 followers at this point. That's when I learned you have to promote your own page in some way at the beginning because no one knows what your page is. You have to tell people. So I started out by using hashtags and comments, and here's how it can help you the most. If you're confused on hashtags, the best thing you can do is to find other theme pages within your niche and just copy the hashtags that they're using. These pages usually have a few hashtag sets that they cycle between to help their post perform. So copying a lot of these sets until you find one that helps your post specifically is actually a pretty good idea when you're starting out. I was taking hashtags from top pages and using them on my own posts. It would help a little at the beginning, but once the page really took off, it would generate like another 10K impressions for a video feature, and that is quite a lot. Another way to promote your page is by posting comments on the top pages within your niche. People usually look at the comments, so it's an easy way to get people to get to your profile. Because I was in the filmmaking niche, I was posting on the top accounts. Try not to be too spammy. It's best to be as authentic as you possibly can, and tag your profile in the comments so there's an easy way for people to see your profile. Spam! No, the point is to... Spammy jam. No, seriously, the point is to... Hey, do you want some spam? Spam. Oh, come on. Every day, I would post like 5 to 10 comments, and it really helped in increasing my profile visits because the people who are visiting my profile like the content of other filmmakers I was featuring, so they just decided to follow the page. After that, I started gaining around 10 to 20 followers a day. So after 3 months of posting, commenting, and finding hashtags, I finally had my first viral video. Okay, it's a cool video. The thing is, I had no idea why it took off. So, being the analytical nerd I am, I started studying all of the videos I posted over the past 3 months, looking for trends as to why that video took off and if it could be replicated. Then, I finally found the answer. And it is the most important lesson when starting an Instagram theme page, or just creating content in general on Instagram. You have to feature viral content that gives value to your followers. And how do you do this? Showing people how to do something. Let me try to explain here. Did you start a makeup page? Have videos showing people how they did that specific look. Is it a photography page? Show people how someone made that photo. You see what I'm getting at here? That's why this video took off. I was featuring videos that show people how to do something. Now the videos I was featuring actually meant something to people. It was giving people a reason to follow me and share the video because these videos I was featuring were valuable for other creators to do the same thing. Once I figured this out, I only started reposting videos that I thought were cool, but they had to have behind the scenes content of how someone made that video. That's when things really took off for the page. I gained like 3K followers a week. It was nuts. I wasn't making any money on shoutouts, but I knew that if I kept posting these kind of videos, eventually the page would go fast enough to where people would start asking for shoutouts. So if I want to gain followers, I just have to show people how to do something? Yes, you're getting it! I'm gonna teach people how to make mac and cheese. Perfect! Hey, do you know how to make mac and cheese? Alright, last step on how to grow your Instagram page and actually start making some money. Just post videos. The thing is, social media is changing rapidly. With the rise of short form videos in the past year, the best way to grow an Instagram page is by featuring short videos about how to do something in a niche. Videos just capture people's attention, and with Instagram pushing Reels hard right now, finding viral content will help you immensely in actually growing your page. Then, once you have a large following, you can start charging people for promo rates to actually be featured. This provides value to your audience and gives them a reason to follow you. It also gives creator a way to show off their creativity when they're asking for a promotion, so people will follow them as well. So I posted on all these pages in the last year, so how much money can you make from this? Well, it really depends on the niche that you're doing. The top businesses for these pages are makeup, business, travel, and the monthly amount you can make from those type of pages is around 1 to 2K a month, depending on how many followers you have. It takes a while to build a page, but once you do, it's an easy source of income because you have people providing content for you and paying for it, so all you have to do is post. In the past 3 months or so, I've made around 3K off my pages, although some months are better than others. Once you grow a page big enough, it's an easy $500 a month, which can be a huge source of income. Again, this channel is about how the average person can or can't make money online. And yes, growing a page can take some time. The thing is, whether you're 10 or 50, anyone can grow a page and actually make some money from this, because you're creating a page that gives creators an outlet to gain followings for their own work. But honestly, this isn't even the best part. Okay, so making money from selling shoutouts is really great. I mean, starting this side business has led to so many opportunities about making money online, so I'm incredibly grateful for getting into this business and really hoping you guys too. But the best part about this is actually not really the money. Obviously, the money is really nice, but it's really, now you have a massive audience, you can grow to hundreds of thousands of followers to advertise other businesses for free. In the year of 2021, it is absolutely possible to make money online, as this channel will explore. But to be honest, it does take some time to grow. The best way to speed up that growth process when starting an online business is having some kind of free marketing tool you can use to drive traffic to your website or service. No matter what you're doing online, whether it's starting a YouTube channel, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, having a free marketing tool at your disposal to drive people to your website or videos is just so valuable. And the fact that you can do this for free without a lot of experience makes this even better. I mean, think about it. Let's say you're wanting to start a YouTube channel about photography maybe. Well, you can start a theme page about photography and you'll know exactly what type of viral content people will enjoy and gain a massive following for that page. So when you launch your YouTube channel, it's a lot easier to have a swipe up link to drive people to your videos because you have an audience of people who love photography. If you do dropshipping, most of your budget in that business actually goes to marketing. Instead, a theme page gives you a free place to advertise your products and drive up sales, increasing your profits. Like with Art of B-Roll, I started selling t-shirts about filmmaking, which has led to another passive income source for this page. Hey, don't you dare use me as a promotion. Where's my sweatshirt? That's what you get for falling asleep to my video. Posting as little as 1 time a day consistently and following some of the tips I have talked about in this video will lead to massive success in the future. It really only takes a couple of minutes to find a piece of content and you repost it to your page once you have a better idea for what type of viral video that people like in that niche. Alright, that's it for me guys. I hope to see you guys next week in next week's video. So make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions about Instagram theme pages, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to respond. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.